Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad Videos, Standard 10th, video number 13th, Polynomials, Section B, Tough. Let's start. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 2x square minus 7x plus 8 equals to 0, then the equation whose roots are 3 alpha minus 4 beta and 3 beta minus 4 alpha is, means what? The problem is, this is the equation, alpha and beta are the roots. Now we want another equation whose roots are this 3 alpha minus 4 beta and 3 beta minus 4 alpha. Here we want a quadratic equation. This is the first one given is a quadratic. We also want another quadratic. Okay, why quadratic? Because x square, alpha and beta are the roots, means only two roots, so it is definitely quadratic. Okay, so now get the form of this equation. This equation is ax square plus bx plus c, right? This one. Okay, so sum of the factors is what? Minus b upon a, and product of the factors is c upon a. Put the values. So alpha plus beta, sum of the factors, because alpha and beta are the factors, equals to minus b upon a. Minus b means minus of minus 7 upon 2. Okay, and alpha beta equals to 8 upon 2 c upon a, right? Okay, next this equals to 4. Then move on. So let the new equation required be capital Ax square plus capital Bx plus c equals to 0. Everything capital now. And what is given? 3 alpha minus 4 beta and 3 beta minus 4 alpha are the factors of this new equation, right? That is what the question is. We want to find the values of capital A, B and C. That's what our target should be. Okay, so these are the factors. Now if these are the factors, to watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.